McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Adolfo. Yes, I did share you. I was McBrown's Kitchen. Just so mammy said, a diana pay day. Ampa, a diana paddy ed. Titru, Winya Diodima diana, no yen ye dia, Udia, ed pa. Mamunim dada, kitchen papa pa. McBrown, many at say, and it's in them could as into months, and men kwami jade, and I walk over. That is a tie was here. Men kwami jade na baby a befree me bia. Me 2 year na day. Meba McBrown's Kitchen. A diane pay day. And that's so young ye dear. Na ye ba be sua diane ye. Ye ba be didi. E wom se wonni bi dear ba minim se be wie no. Na was sua bibi afrim. What ya say? McBrown's Kitchen. Ye me di ya me de hwe sama ye hu jade. Je so ma me a diane pay day. Me da boafo ase high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty tone. What you say? And no, the same kulane ya daneno. Good for you. No more ya and more your love. Sa nicey omega-3 sunflower oil. And wa a tiapo. And son a royal feast. Di mo papa wate royal feast. And then McBrown. Mi jina ye. And nema de dana kwem. A sro pesi form. Mitri win their impact adaroma. Mitri win your basada. De bia umuma me tirem. A good year papa. And son aligina so or the makeup not to 2 years. Eyebrow no aji onu kwa ne timicha. What ya say? I will trust me da maybe you know a chane kama. Alice me da say. Nyonyo. Nyami shrao. Sawa mama mediane pe di was set. Mini me crew nyina. Nyami shrao pa. Na hwe atade no. E siso e bosso. Yeah, usually, oh yeah, dear. The best trend. One mama family, when you shroud, you sharp. And Sana, La Palm Royal Beach. And pa, open baby, I jojo on the I hold na make La Palm Royal Beach. I was here for McBrown's Kitchen, Mashisha Meniema. Mammy Chamu says, see, amra. Na me family guest in Tija. Brim.
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
Energy bagana, you should go you down for the sun is an amusa. Energy bagana, you should go you down for the sun is an amusa. What way you go for? What way you go for? What way you go for the sun is an amusa?
Oh, Mary, men are here with my defense. Eh, Mummy in Chadi, your sonny and Caddy and Tiawa. High says Diabo, a high sense New Year. Don't forget.
High sense fridge, high sense TV. So
Air condition, washing machine, so
gas cooker, home theater, Kiko phones, and a baby beer high sense showroom beyond. Mohudonti, Yatete so, who? 15 December, copy 15th January. Borrow high sense showroom beer, na kwaje wodie, high sense damwase. A high sense New Year, don't forget. Bibiani afraid 0302 550000. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Daddy and mommy go to Query and grow focus baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and none of us are taking in Yaman. We will have a chicken flavor, Benazen fish flavor, Benazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder, Ababy, as I would mean as them food spices. What do you wear, dear? So, what one idea, so we are doing with you, will be a bit with you, and been inside. Now, school feeding for you, while I pay now we are on my feeling. Men and Zan will be any hobbies, my customers.
Oh, Pia, the puppy breed.
I'm home.
Me dear, at the pepia yema me busiano, me peno bebre. And no tia banediane no adia. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. And ya diane no dekekyo. And yani no bit is a vitamins and a fiber. A yemeni pediano womu. When you nechi dear biona me share.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Emediane yede. Yema also. Me mama kwaba eba McBrown's kitchen. And ne ye barbecue stew beer. Ye can't de supplement na be on pa. Enche me guess ne better na diacho. But I'm sana no and ne cratchy and me papa. Me to me come papa because me na twempna pen. Enye mpna said ye munim no efo adwen ko e TV so mpna ani. So wo hwe me boys am no mu edi agro na me no ma twempna TV so say Jako, Lewin, Bella Samoa, Van Vika, Majid. Bembe bi onim adwuma na sini adwuma ye papa bia me na twempna pen. But sa papa we die. Me hye me senior say adwuma ya say from 2001. Na ma me hyase no wono nam ne ne twempna first wo ye tuntumche obia wo Ghana ha so me pa chaw wo di mu pa wo sini adwuma me ye bu no ye fere no wo tua ne due so pempem eno na anyina ye nyina ya be so bia die ye mfa ni jenhia my one and only first ever boyfriend Mr. Fred Amugi. Yeah! Oh yes. Yes, forever young. Once a man would be back on. Menka. David, Menka. You would be a friend saying
Condom.
CONDOM. Condom. The first film. My boyfriend, a deal to me showing me and the man. Oh, for a girlfriend as a condom. Oh. Now what is that for?
A radiadum.
Oh, Mr. Fred. Still, what fair?
What
is the secret?
Oh.
What is the secret? Because
I said you are home, Brassier.
Yeah.
A journey now.
Oh, Debbie, Uncle Fred.
Yes.
From 2001, me senior to Sinifufro, first ever from me that day. Wona, me first say, me de me pair wo. Said they will so me mu. Woman, me 19 team yeah, because you who starts nani as ye shaky. But said your man me feel at ease with shame in crime, me do I still sign out here. Not do Maria Quampa, Yamin Shroud.
Amen.
And wife or ex-wife, ex-girlfriend, my bow fear, dance man, and dance summer wanting soon ye Ghana for. My boyfriend so Baba the Popo Pa Mamadi. Boyfriend. But I young way and sans. Niam Jan who says here now. Diana Baby and Minim Sodo and Sabeki can name a pea. Miss Madam and Sabeki can name any pea. Intino. That's oh, sorry. Young over now. Young Pepana, come on. Not a better me, Diana, Baby Yamadi. Young show your ingredients. I had okra stew and rice.
I call ye okra stew into first ingredient. Okra, nkruma. We are no free ma. Okra penis ntorowa. Nyadwa. Nyadwa. Paposhito.
Bra papo. We are pop.
Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes.
And sana Jenny biwaha.
Jenny. Any green pepper.
Meko green na bino.
I feel there ginger,
ginger pram friends.
Akekadru.
Kakra. Any garlic. Green pepper, no.
Pepper way na. Bell pepper, no.
Debbie.
Meko green, yeah, okay.
To say you treat and I say,
blended that. And son and chine. Okay.
Chin so there. Send a whole pen on.
And now
I'm for being cry. Oh, yeah, sort of free.
Okay. Na, I feel near Banam so.
And Namno. Safro. Any salmon. Salmon or your mummy, Bako Enya Kakra. Cranibe can say a geosa. Bakon so dear. Normal. Okay. Normal one.
Unim salmon, winning.
And I feel the
Amane.
And my dried one. I know. Getting no. When this was Kakra.
And I open.
And I feel we are no. And what?
Uncle Fred, you're showing where you are. Okay, that's a one kakra.
Sanitary.
Put it in
me de ankatwe de ehohoro so na be ya
chocho no
ebeti
okay
na beef na nkasa na ayese nchine wo mti no
salted beef ni bi no
manoa no twice and I'm free no ba kon so na be ya nchine no ebe free ho second time no so na be ya senate no nchine na me ka se nchine no wo de guma se wo hwe yi
ampa
because we didn't hook jimu a ahwa na eduane na say na ne afi de kawuro wele
ansa na ntwina mankasa but no wo se wano awade dada emrenti no wo ye wade se mpacho epese ehun se wo de den estefa na me hunu ae
na me sra me ba ntwa no obi wo a bepese otwitwa nsene obetwitwa nkrumano so me de ndem manoa meyi amano na me de aka mekonu ho a blend
okay
sene be ya ensei
okay
ana se yentum
enti wonu ano se utwitwa mu mienu ana se
utwitwa mu mienu meyi ehon no
wayi ho no ene abano anyam
enti bibia ye ready a se ne etie no sa na me de begum
okay wo de ne untwitwa na nketwa all right
na no ubi sa bibi
na mbisa se den na ode no a wo na ntwinam yi dada se de be ya obi yo fi obenya o taste ni mi di wi a
nsio ya
okay nsio
na mde
ene bibi akakadura na bibi ka ho ade ye ya na
enu ti na wo akakaduro wo ni manum no
okay
mi bibi are ready mi twitwa mi nkruma no na me de esi jaso kakra
okay
bibi a fe de me de anwa egu chance mo si ho
okay
na eye kakra mi akaka no ye ko ni na
ye di gumu kakra sa no so wo fi a utimi no awe no na se she freezer o ba ya wi wa dia akaka we bo ma wo na wo ko
nte du ba bia mesrawo mafro na wo de emu na esi so ama
mate me ye ne sa ama yes so ye amcom right cooker and your pressure cooker anti
nkruma no obi wo be pese utwitwa ne se na ete na se chopping no easy but me twa no na me twa to no me twa ne tintin mu
okay apem
sinema ya se emu ama no edosun dodo a le yi bi efrim se me hwe na yenso de a ene afede me twitwa
na fede wa pai mu 4 no na shooting go
sa
twitwa se sa na be ne dia meye bi aboa
that's it
na contem because you see ti kron ko adina what you say emi no kwei akoni asa na ede
na me no sudua emia
what is it
me no sudua
emia we so ha na we as emia yo intino ebusuafo ye twitwa ye okro no Uncle Fred akyerɛ bi because so pɛ mu ahwɛm sabane nɔso a
sɛ ɛdɔso na o pɛsɛ na
ba sɛ dɔso ma wo de a yi bi free saa netie mfa de mu ha enyina yesua aduane yɛ ti sɛ waduane obi pɛ sɛ oyɛ bi wɔ fie a ɔnto ne din sɛn because o special
normal amount for the ngu na yɛ
okay
but this time na yanwa
na
that's the only difference
good and Uncle Fred special and you go so aye no wow Uncle Fred you twitwa nkuma ye wi
ye twitwa
wi yo nala wow last one to go
last but one
hey then I will check me saying condom wow Uncle Fred na wudi no one say me ye ti amugi no a efri hen wo so we kwapem ni
me papa typical Accra boy na me mama na ne papa fi ekropon
oh okay
me mama no ne papa fi ekropon na ne mama fi tashi
oh okay
let's say me mama akoye
ekrapem okay nti wo ye ga ekrapem ga eno na wo kan na ede ekrapem ga baby wo mama kakra wo ga nti ga ekrapem ga wow ye wie mama ni we free
thank you
nti ye twetwa nkuma ye wie ye benden
ye chance na le bebu no wo
ye benu nkuma ne wo mu no okay ye benu wo we mu tisa me somawa
we didn't see kakra gu
okay we didn't see over nti ebuchafo nkruma no di kaya koja so nkruma no koja so a Uncle Fred say dia ka bi aiwe hwegum nya dia na wo gina ho a
ne sese ya blend
yes Uncle Fred ensure ni pacho mi din ensure kakra bi gumtino
kakra bi
wa oba enya no afafofo bu ha amania eye
fa kakra bi
wa wo jigum na esa be kase abro so ade be shame Inti Uncle Fred say enkruma na koja so next step
mama chance ya de be your friend ankasa
okay ene de me mini pa oni ani me
ya me yep
maso okay
amara be koja so
all right Mwana be koja so ho nti no ye de nice egu ye suspan ni mo mami we free her macho fa mami yes and Uncle Fred said depending on near man dodo e ho anwa na abe
sir
definitely because yeah advice say ubedi bia mo so nti ubedi so anu adi papa no nice yendum na minum no
mpacho ai
minum no kra na say who fa so na wadum no
sir
oh okay
wanye no sa ho badju too much
all right nti no
so we are
maso ama pa maso ne life
na mami
nti say de utwitwa uje ne
no
ama na kwa anwane mu okay
eno mepe no say enwum akese unse no ankasa no for health sake cranity
na mini we ne twa no board no
okay
nti we twitwa je ne na kese
Zumidi gumi mi mane men. What you say?
Yeah. Listen, o pese ebe be no na wo sentimi bubom nkakra.
Sir.
Say good sias. No who say yes who didi.
I don't so na ebe kire me say anwa no. I should too much and I say eternal.
Okay. Okay. What they chiso.
Sir.
I'm never say she. Nti se say dia ya nwa egumi. Ye debut.
Me more friends spices me boy.
Je ginger ne ye pepper no.
Me di
ebekum
na enunum kakra ansa.
Ansa ne nkruma na ba.
Me meko no.
Okay. Meko ni koka enwo ne ho.
Sir.
Anwa ne ho.
Any
Jane no. All right. Okay. Ansana garlic. Eswaba. All right. Nebusiafo and royal feast no. High says the pressure cooker na no emu na yebe no na life and correct. What you say? Into no 1 kilo. Yemi enu pe ana say. Uncle Fred. Yemi enu pe ana nkola ofie. Nkola ofie.
Ne kura no ani nyina.
Nkola ofie ho. Ene ye no ani nyina. Yo. Enu an say wo de agu. O pressure cooker ni na wageji said ye be kan no. Yes. Ugeji a Uncle Fred we I said wa ma mpayola no. Said na wo kan won chine asem nti no. Me mpese meto me nchine na me ka se me de nchine gumti wa san na ope no.
Oh.
Na mo no. Ope say de anwa kakra begu ani ama na say ope no.
Debi.
Wonfo de no fa anwa ani.
Debi.
Okay.
Ade anwa frɛ ne ye ba bedi.
Nti ehun ya so be de anwa no asa egu ha. Yesu Mr. Mensa te ase da.
Nkruma no beko.
Nkruma ni bekom. Sa.
Ai.
Oh, Tobo na me witness Tobo. Tobo na me witness ya. And one way to their simple use. And one say when me cook rice. Also a form her. Also what dear pet. Cook rice and start. Any a cron. A betty and na be.
So, ti baby edro no. Afi de nkruma no.
Me pa chom pese ehun wo method ni ye. Ebusuafo ye de ye oil go mu no. Ye de onion ne cheso. And ye de papo shito na ya blend no. Any ginger ne garlic egum. We mu nyina anya nkomo but nkruma ekom. Sa na tie. Nkruma ni kom. Good. Beme na papa fama mi. Said mama as a stew no mama mani abre ho. Ai.
Badoje.
Mani abre ho pa. O method ni is different.
Tomatoes no.
Yeah.
We track it to aba kwa keke.
Adentra.
Ano na me be kan. Sene be ya nkruma no de
Enti. Ebe nkruma nenti no. Se u yusu ntoso a susufa fakakrebi. No ano. We chucham bio. Wow. Uncle Fred, on sane se kan ef die. On sane se kan ef pa. Kakrebi nti we nko bi o.
Ebeko. Se ntos ba kompe. E de a o tenen ka wo munti no. Sa.
Ba kope.
Asa o tenen ka.
O so tenen ka mpa. With you. Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred.
O den che bi obati mpampa.
Oh, condom mate da. Mate. Hey. Wow. This is equipim okru.
Towards this south.
Sir. Into Uncle Fred. Say we unyan view wa.
We say here.
Unyan view. And you go coffee fridge.
Yeah.
Oh, Uncle Fred, me serve you drink be. No fruit juice or fridge. Me
what he is
Oh, the ayama one no.
Insurance that me penny
fresh juice. fresh.
Oh, Yamishra.
Yes.
So what the water hose to create you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mbema
Nyadwa no akom. Okay. Na nyadwa no uka say we yiyi mu aba. Oyiyi mu aba na we pili ho no so. Nti no ne sa no de tum. Wow. Yempengum.
Nyina wo.
Obeyi bi
Edos.
Okay. Hey, chef. Chef, where are you? Wow. Chef Amugi. Uncle Fred.
Yes,
too much. On Sakura, what they intro one to say, wouldn't him be a woe baby. Sir, wouldn't him so bet to me a yentin out from my ground kitchen say, Yamrano. Yemi abano. Wow. Hey, it's way and say, a diaka bayam quenchna. We drew fear. Yeah. Inti de me gidi na say de nti a wan no nkruma no den ne wonim say be sa bet so wa
sir.
Yeah. Wow. Ediane no tusha. Se mo hwe ni kura wo say ampa. On friend ma menyi we ni film mu na camera na nchi ni ye mami. So say Ghana fo hu say wa won sa no ne sija no so no.
Fa ni tini mami na me friend.
Me fa ni tini kat small.
Nancy super grandson me de.
Oh.
Fish no ne.
They aka na go.
No be kwa ko load no.
Na ko Fred me so.
Bisa.
Say. Sini adwuma no wo ne sen.
Manama.
Ya adwuma ya ye.
Any other job? The woman na peja no ho woman na
abre ni tras kakra na me komode ebi mu kakra na komode yan adwuma ya na yesa because Uncle Fred so we sini adwuma ti na da bia yesu say nke benya support free aban ho no hwe nipa employ o mu organa
minya ho kwan ene Prince Boateng was there. Film directors.
Yeah. Mr.
Minya ho kwa meni nyina ko president of
Mr.
Boateng. Ama near course no che say odma odi
nkunimdie wa animu.
Odi ni ba ko ehwe area ho pa.
Ebe boa pa
ko. Ti odi bibia hye mame no hwe tourism ministry no so say
my honorable Catherine Afeku
say nya problem bia she should not hesitate omra na ye nti
ebekoye
ni say
ebekoye
ni ma bekoye
ebenyame ase ebo mpa esa na nyina ye hwehwe wow say drew snails no so ai enwa no famen ma wa drew enwa no so enwa no na ekom still yi ba de wo
one dem nyina egu
na we ye say enwa no hu nsuo ne
ebe hwe bi
egu mo na salted beef na bi bebam
by all means say na di gu no ne Fred no
kai Uncle Fred, when it yache, when it's in encourage a jar pipe, and when it yache.
Condom.
Oh, he did the almost one. Makayo, Mr. Yameche. Okay, wake up.
Make up.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Nipa yebi.
Diana Hotel, Stadium, Diana Hotel. Miracle Films.
That's all. Diana.
Ewo ho de bat. Ewo ho. Diana so. Aji nyina ne ebeje fe no. Beji aman. Obi a o se wa break ma sisi ni yemu, sini twemu adwuma yi mu no. Wa da Diana pe.
One time me ba Kumasi a yesi obi say
ma ko radio. Ko be kan wanu ansa na me de ahye film na say.
Yesi obi say Fred Amugi say chief film pa de enye sini.
Na kae.
Na say na modern ade cheese ni yefoi. You started say me ye chief.
Na mo wan. Mo maybe some McBrown's.
Na mo he na mia me twa me ho akogya ba bia akoka say chief film enye.
Wan catch you. Yeah. Uncle Fred.
Yeah.
O mo na tiapo. Egu super.
Sa so na frɛ no etiapo. No answer me dey wele no.
Na o ka hwe no we na hu hia bi o me fia.
Tobo. Nkan na o de tobo. Ni me bo ala last minute.
Na eba. Say afa na bra akwapo.
Mi only me de no be guma keke se ne be ya. Obi di na ofiri se mekona ngum no so a. Onu ankasa
abe posagum. Okay.
So, then.
Bo na papo ke obe suban. Bo. Aba posabo. Ananya sa.
No.
Aba posabo. No sheshe. E posabo asheshe. O agbena.
So na de gum na.
Na time ben na. We ne ne hia me on pa me de akofi. Stock no.
Nada na me kan de na o paprewa no.
Refino.
Nana o ye hwansa.
O ma me ana.
O mama.
Metumi ka go.
We de. O da be anya hye.
O ba yam sa akolo ye hwa. O ba tumi nsam fi.
After the
Hey, and I am me perdiane. There me person manya me share because me ni bida na ed deso kakra na atomesem
emfa ye wele no enyu mafe
wele kakra bi kombi ho
Uncle Bear ye bedia obia wo bibia
obetumi anya free
baby anka ye de kotokra
ebe ka ho
nanso me in particular no me ye the allergic to koto.
Hey, awa window pansa ne ato ne nam asem na bentra
ene
ye beef no
say your friend adane enam kwa
but hey ebi wa won pa betumi ye free asa ye de ye num na ye de bi na ya man ne dos eyo
say ye na fe de we na kan
stock no kaka no
anwanu atwe ne ho pii no
salatie
o de we replace
tina na wo pese stand by you so Papo is going and I'm not can is going
we did ya men kura we tene pampa na kombedo na o tene am kan
me pa so say
me say so we did ya men kura we tene pampa na pe
e kombedo e ya mpa so Ghana for me a sure say Uncle Fred Amugi was shock price ye nyina we a shock price
akase udi gumo no so ha say ni di na be ko na say enko
nti Uncle Fred ye hwe wo stew no awa ye wi o
me wi
wa wi stew no
wi
nti akase ye be serve na ya classe na ye mi no ya to say didi me bo a
ehunsuo no entwe
kakra mate ene na adofo de be ye ne say ye twen ama ehunsuo na atwe kakra no that means aduane no are you ready anesa nti no ye be twa enwa basesi a McBrown's kitchen aduane ped
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
Enigia bagana, enigia bagana. You should go you down for the sun is an amusa. Enigia bagana, enigia bagana. You should go you down for the sun is an amusa. What way you go for? What way you go for? What way you go for the sun is an amusa?
Mena me ye winner. I my defense. Mummy in Chadia, yes, on the Encadian Tiawa. High says Diabo, a high sense New Year. Don't forget.
High sense fridge, high sense TV. Yeah, take this so.
Air condition, washing machine,
Gas cooker, home theater, cake phones, and a baby or high sense showroom beyond. Mohudonti, Yatetiso, who? 15th December, copy 15th January. Bora high sense showroom bia, na kwaje wodie. High sense damuase. Eye high sense New Year. Don't forget. Bibi ani afrey 0302 550000. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Adanche, Ibiampo, Adanche, Ibiampo, Adanche, Ibiampo.
Branya put today ya bedroom. Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be say oh na say na dia na mami go don kwadu ani grofo gusu bebrebe yi. I am in a zen. I have food spices. And no na yes a trick ni nyina ma. We hwa chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Ababy has a wood menazen food spices. What do you wear here? Say what one day, so we are doing with you. Will be a baby do it. I'm drinking sa. Na school feeding for ye while every no we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any hobbies my customers. What is
Obia pade pade free.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pe bia ye ma mebusua no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you dear Biona Meshe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Mediane yede. Yema also. McBrown's kitchen. Just so of your mama said then. Ediane pie de. Just me hunya menka about me okra stew enemy, me rice, me royal feast rice. A more head pan. Say a share said the Uncle Fred, a poo with Yania, and Yanom, a bay down, Cassa. Uncle Fred, ya mean shroud, papa, and the what say be before for a cry. Said you already me crew, ya brace snail, Nehona. Me can be a said there. Now, no, me did your love for be coffee, you know. Me come any penny now, what I bear me to see to say. Sanam dim crumea, so every coffee. Because meaning say, we need to sit, a crab in our better film. But Diana and I am. Never yet down, Cassa. Uncle Fred made a sippy, so by Sana made our me as to say, when you would rats now, I shall proceed and Nina, and I mean himself be with fear to do. Uncle Fred wouldn't be McBrown's kitchen, dear. Yeah, we ye. Sana sponsors so any Jimmy guest to home. Into almost say, and ya dear or send me Timmy took no bow fee, now trade yan and Noah, na ye di, na ye jow, na ye cock a debbie, or say a man who say, umbre. Ene ne wa betray ye ni so nti de di kan no me am na na ma me tu me kai yi ba me jade a koba wa sie ba ye me wa chede fe bi de ma Uncle Fred me t-shirt ene me man me nim say wo petit pa nti no da bia we de emfa ma obia e ma me kwa so mfa
me de benum Tom Brown
Jen
ade wo so bufu
said uncle na ye me kan wasem say wo so ba be ye me sai bi na na ma Tom Brown ma ground Uncle Fred fanum Tom Brown aya me mumpi na dia tosu bio me pa cha wo de 9C omega 3 sunflower ye eduane no wo kan wa no hwe na wo tie ne sen
me hu se ne am describing cramfa
Sa.
Agma ni bi wo ho a a chance na wate eduane ne mpampan. Nso we de enyas ko gya no so a
Oti enyinya ni pampan bia no so ye de. Nice omega 3 ahye no ma. Uncle Fred.
Yeah.
Me pacho nice se me fache die emma. Me hu ba bia me fancy.
Da was you se me
that's you. Eje anamba 1 maware ashisho babo anamba 2 waware ashisho anamba 3 high sense chopper high sense mom so me ma
sorry no me nyima de
chopper said ye wutwitwa wo nkruma enya de efi na kro obetwitwa nkruma bio na second bi entwa chopper ye simple menu ne hye ho ni use ye simple the high sense me fa na wase se wo bai
na ye kro esu
mensu ebio bebre di akiro me no unye yo wo de abomode ana twon semfasi no a wo ma me no unye yo ababo anamba 4 waware ese shoyam ebo anamba 4 ese why a royal feast emu ya ye bedie enu bia Uncle Fred mu odukura do me ma peja royal feast papa
kenu amo me ma agene
me pa cha bokura me ma foforo me bebre na me nye wa na asem fa bi bra ebo anamba 5 tasty tom tomato mixer fiber shemuma tasty tom ye we spaghetti shenchen ye tasty tom sizes ni nyina bi wom Uncle Fred nyame hira wanyina wo de o wo de ni nyina kofi ni nyina kofi
na me de kura
obede kura taw de ka ba yo nti ka no mia me so ni nyina kogumu ama me dase Uncle Fred and aduane obe special na me hira me sponsors me damwase mama me guest ni ajepa Uncle Fred on kra no mate ni nyina on shira no mahu ni nyina o mate pa sabre ye ba bedidi me do fopa be me na me kra fie okra se me ba me kra okra se me ba na kra na papa ye ba bedidi sabre ye bedi ye rice ene ye okra soup a me pentem wo ye ni o ye okra stew na ntoko esi ho wo set yi so no enu so nie wow be me na man fanto ha na me nyi mis Uncle Fred na bia so betumi ate wo de ana me ni kan say ladies first yay wo krachi ampa condom e was afọ dan India Uncle Fred
kasamiti
onu aduane na wo ba me bisa say e den ti na ase said ya wotie free tete no sa na wotie o ka say e nyame
na dumara kwa
minim so ye Kristo ni pa na me bwa
sa
o kwa sorry ben ena sinifu oso ye kwa sorry ya entampe position ben ne kura wa sorry
me ye chorister wa sorry
ba o kwa sorry ben
me ye presbyterian
okay
nsan ya safu penin
okay Uncle Sinintino obi anim se wunyini won kran enne bi mu hu se wo ma me free kurapem ana ekropon na half so free nkran ha nti wo peso ye ndwen se wunyini won kran na ekurapem ana uko school won kran na ekurapem
well mi papa ejuma no ejuma o housing almost CCS state
o papa ye ejuma housing okay
na I say transfer ebi me ko kekos takra de na Kumasi na ekoche pa idu Kumasi 1959
oh try Kumasi
ama me ko school Bantma Presby Primary
do you Kumasi ano
na me kan chira ono from there to Edum Presby Middle School
o then na bobo address papa nko say
Ansa Meba Nungwa Secondary School
mama ma Not me, my infant. On say a open kitchen. Until there. So once the high and nature, and Fancataya and one. Who school were doom? We are doom boy.
You're doom boy.
School bear doom.
Presby Middle School.
Wow. Now we now all to us over here.
The band was secondary.
Oh, I want a deporto bag. Wow. 92 ko school now when you saw be actor.
Me last year in secondary school. Now a mommy who said with me. Yeah, literature master. Any school near play. Play anything here Antigone. Antigone. No, Susie said meet me a play role into a mommy role. After that, no see Debbie. One more drama group that. Now we are from 5 now. We got to late Kofi Renchi. Director Kofi Renchi. Reverend Lomote. Enoch Botre. Alexandra Dria.
Late.
Sa group no. Na me.
Literature master. Said you senior anyway.
Sanity. Na me hwe wo mo ade.
Ntu ko Legon ni bi. Uko yin. One go home school. Acting one go home school. We need certificate to be ya ba say.
Training ni nyina me nya fi.
Ejuma.
One a cool school. Obi ti say Mr. Samuel Ansomenu. O kire wa de no ehu a na che say Wabong
through my yam ne buy.
I don't know a lecturer or School of Performing Arts. And Enoch Tai.
Who bought it to do?
Woman, you know, I say, but me.
Until you are now so first from. Year bells over Kaya.
Well, we started the stage,
stage year
1969.
Okay, I'm Ryan. I'm Ryan in Matu. Sabre, who else need to do a bad pan, Fred Amugi, Boba. Why?
I'm proud of me kind.
A Dawson. From time I Michelle cried by Pim Nino.
And no cry on Dawson.
Uncle Fred, we are family man. The patrol, Mimi Sasse. We know you know man at your answer single man. No, you know man at you. It will fear. Wow.
Pinning on also on a baby.
Oh, okay. Now, mother, do I say?
Since you me no me means or Baba Cone. Never me. Okay. Or Barney Giant ho.
Oh.
That kind of 2 weeks, no, with the 21.
Oh. Ache.
10 years in.
Oh.
11 years.
Kafra, wait yet. And you forget me into me and Krumas to me and Pacho. Let me ask maybe Sasa. Oh. Uncle Fred.
I come brown.
And nurse senior Juma ye. And Sunday become me per se. Young ones I yabem. Me who to me for. Beginning of my Juma in the career. Emma me fine. And now catch you be a won't see because I'm Rasa.
Nana.
Miss Rowe. A foot to Ben, I bet you dear ma. Young people, young generation, when you brace on so much.
One bano. Unu omo kasakra na say. Okra trim.
Nti jaja o
chire. So upe bibia obi ye na onye ni ya e den ha.
Obe kan wa wo be nya o.
Cause come to think of it say enemre yi mu. Na say ye yesini. Na akwakra na abewa ho hia. Yobeja nkwakra ni mrewa no ho. Ni afra mrantie ne maiwa ne penti wo muti. Odwini ho a emfa. Na ne ma bi won so a wo hwe ya mamra a. Anka wo yesini sinitwani a. Sene ya mamra tie no. Ese utumi danedi. Dusini. Now so ne ye trust ni a obitumi wura ahemfie na ne open wakoka kire ohene.
Na o twam ko.
Oja hoko.
Na yo ni we ka se enchin de dua kra on se ne de ade. Obi nim.
Because obi pese obi sere. Nti ade ne nye kra. Sere nti no. na fa oko compare say when you say peace in your sebe. So because you hardly find that kind of what when they brofo
Name me honom for no. Ye no wa for no neta edane no.
No.
Ede nketwa no. Emene akase na.
Nti me kan say amanfo nto mo bo ase. Bibia wo ye bia no wo de kire amanfo ade. Nti o ya say o ye ni ye. Since it is service sikana e ba won sem nti no wo ye na biara. Ena ahobrase adien ko baby me ko baby a ni asala na na ma salai nso me shelai no dia be frame say managers penis we say ya me frame
ba so duro na abowura mu anko bi kura be kam fun bi a kire
ti baby obeko bia no wo de ni obeye bia ye na ahobrase mi
sanity
na obi hu a ono abo sense wo de
obe page wa beti
sa
ko Fred Amugi nshira pa sene wa be kire aduane foforo ye kra na wa me hu se balance diet so ehu hia nti o se wonya fruits bi udidi wi a wo de soso adofo madam nyina ase me pentem na ma wi aduane me pentem na ma wie die gum nya ate foforo gum ye be hia na o twen sene ba samunim se mintimi nko abra me ndam aboafo ase ai die di kan no madam guest ase wa ya de so wa be kire bi foforo na mada high sense everyday prices for everyday people high sense ye TV ye home theater ye air condition ye blender ye bibia high sense ye product ba ko so ne amcom ye TV ne bo hon fe wa wo hwe said the pictures net here we here be with you into high sense na say amcom wo na high sense we the same product the mayem show crab e bio tasty tom the only tomato mix fiber and vitamins ashemuma Sana Royal Feast emu anunsu ede emu papa Nancy oil si ebedi anwa dia ye nhwehwe Nancy omega 3 sunflower oil ai me hu ayefene ujitumpa se me hu ayefene sa ayampa impact salon ena etwa metin ya ete yirewi sana aligina atwimanim sa so bio ena diva strength ashemi atade fefe na say ba locations ano a before say be no aduane o say didi ana say lunch na ade no nyonyo GH and supply aduane o ma aduane e de pa o ye wedding engagement bibia o ye bia o nya nyonyo ba serve o guest ama kama and bio La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ye dam was some so ya sibi na me nhira mo pa na McBrown me da wasio me da wase pa ma ye share na o che Sunday ko ye pages Instagram Facebook your social media platform ko like your photo no kire wadwen de be ye show yi betumpon na ye fe ne nyina aboa ye no kire ho ye be jo so dodo sa na obetumi follow me I am Mama McBrown on Instagram and official Nana McBrown on Facebook me da me crew ase me da obibia ase na me shira na ye share na o che Sunday ye gusu aye di ye okra stew and rice ma ye share brim
McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen.